Hey guys, how's it going? Justin here, just checking in again with some of our crews as they are repairing foundations out here in Southern California. Hopefully you guys like what you see. We're going to be talking about some of the projects that we have going on currently, and then checking in with a handful of our crews as they're out doing some of our day-to-day operations. Hey guys, all right, so as I had said, we're checking in with some of the crews. Our first stop today is with Alvin and his crew. So Alvin is actually right behind me in this hole here. And then we've got Albert right over there. And then Skylar's down on the other side of the home, digging some holes. So this is actually day 2 of the project for them. Yesterday consisted a lot of digging holes and prepping the push pier locations. So today they've actually already installed 2 push piers, hydraulically driven them down into the soils below this foundation. And then they're finishing up some of the prep work for the other pier location. So typically what we do is when we're installing push piers, we're hydraulically driving them down to bedrock or to competent load-bearing stratum. So on the first 2 piers, the first one was actually driven to about 16 feet when they started reaching their pressures, and the second one was about 14 feet. So it's a pretty good news. We won't have to drive these too deep in order to ensure that this home doesn't settle anymore. So I'm gonna get some more footage here for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that, and then I'll check in with you at the second stop. If you guys have any questions in regards to the foundation repair, do not hesitate, comment down below, shoot us a direct message. Hopefully this isn't too loud for you guys. Like I said, I'll check in with you later. All right guys, hopefully you like that footage from Alvin's crew. We're gonna be checking back in with them sometime next week, most likely Monday, as they attempt to lift that home about 2.5 inches. So we're already here at the second location. We're checking in with Dimitri and his crew. We checked in with them earlier in the week, and this is that home that's a little over 11,000 square feet, where we're installing the 59 push piers and 14 tiebacks. So can you kind of explain where we are in the process, like what you guys are doing? Now?
Well, right now, so far, we're just basically prepping all of our locations, so excavating everything and making sure it's ready to be our bracket suite mounted and installed. And other than that, I've installed 9 push piers so far. It's going about an average depth of 22 feet. But once we get over here on the back side of the hill with these pillars that you see behind me, I think they might go a little bit deeper just because of the hill and everything. That probably, when it was built, there's probably some fill.
So this hill, actually where we're standing on now, it's probably, I don't know, roughly 50 feet wide, but probably about 150 feet down. So it's pretty steep, and this is where the home's seeing a lot of the damage, is that correct?
Yeah, we got like a 3.5 to 5 inch drop back here.
Wow. So kind of, let's see, where you guys are excavating now, and you guys are prepping all the pier locations. Kind of where are you looking at to lift and finish kind of the main bulk of this project?
We'll probably be lifting within 3 weeks to a month.
Awesome.
And be able to clean up everything and finish completely hopefully within another month and a week maybe.
Awesome. All right guys, well, there's some information from Dimitri. I'm gonna get some more footage of them here today, and then I'll check in with you guys there at the next stop. Thank you. guys, how's it going? Hopefully you liked that footage from Dimitri and his crew over at their job site in Diamond Bar. Now we're on to the third stop and we're checking in with Jesse and his crew again. If you saw our previous video, you saw that we checked in with them on their first day. And they're installing 87 push piers, 12 tiebacks, and approximately 16,000 square feet of polyurethane on this job site. So they've gotten a little bit accomplished throughout the week. They're on to their 16th push pier location. So I'm gonna get a little footage here. We've got Danny cutting out concrete currently, and then the rest of the crew is prepping pier location. So let's get some footage here and then we'll check in with you guys later.